How to change Play Store password. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account that you would want to change the password for. So changing your Play Store password basically means changing your Gmail account's password. So that's associated. So simply tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then select on Manage your Google account. Here, select on the security option and then scroll down, and here you'll be able to see the option of password. So tap on it. As you tap on password, it will take us to a new page where you'll have to verify yourself, and so just you need to verify yourself by signing in using your passkey as well. So let's verify ourselves, and as we verify ourselves, it will take us to a new page over here. So here you can just tap on your password, confirm new password, and then tap on change password, and that's how you can change the Play Store password as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.